Well, that was bracing. Not to criticize my favorite witches, but was there supposed to be something besides stinky incense?
I don't get it. We followed the ritual exactly.
We were definitely looking for more than stinkiness.
My.
Ethan, Rain!
Quiet, boy.
Willow, what's going on? First Kakistos and now...
Ethan's probably behind it all, aren't you, you chaos-worshipping toad?
You cut me to the quick, Ooh, do it again.
Willow, what's Ethan doing? He's never had this kind of power.
I still don't. This isn't my doing. I only want what I came for.
Will, there are people here. Prisoners in cages. I don't like the look of this.
All right, wait. Think, Willow, think. Xander, you go and get those people out of here. I'll track Ethan, get Tara back, and meet you outside.
Okay, right. Get the people out. Try not to die. Good plan. You go get Tara.
Already gone.
No! Get me off this machine!
How'd you like a nice shiny cherry? It must be Ash Wednesday. Steak, a vampire's last meal.
Thank you!
Hey, pal, you got a light? Time out, time out!
I can't lead the prisoners. I have to rescue them. I can never quite get these to work right, but what the hell?
fresh meat.
Now, you got a light?
I'd rather have a rocket launcher, but beggars can't be choosers.
What took you so long? I've been here for weeks.
Thank God. I thought I was going to die in here. Please don't kill me. I haven't paid all of my credit cards.
I promise to keep this short and sweet.
Takes care of the power. Time to tackle that fence.
Fancy meeting me here? Oh my!
Ooh, I'm so scared. Really. You fight like Harmony.
Thanks. Here, take this.
Good to have along, in case of boo-boos.
Gonna give me some of that.
looks like you didn't make it.
Hey, kid, come here often?
It's way more satisfying when I pretend they're all Spike.
Not much to look at, are you?
Let's see if I can do this without getting a splinter.
Hey, pal, you got a light?
Well, hello there. How are you at kitten poker?
You tried, you failed. Hidden areas. Next thing you know, I'll be finding all those missing socks. This place is harder to get into than the girls' locker room. Gas! I wouldn't want any things there, though. Not a zip, zilch, a big goose egg. Xander Harris doesn't need doors. I make my own. Come and get it, big boy. Wait, that didn't come out.
Well met, meet my strapping young man.
Think of all that energy you wasted coming back from the dead. No! What have I done? They'll rip her to shreds.
Fancy meeting me here? That's me done for.
What have we here?
Vampire death is so efficient.
Not much to look at, are you?
Thank you.
That's my good deed for the day. Wonder how Willow's doing.
Not my weapon of choice, but at least it's sharp.
Looking for me?
Hey, I'm getting pretty good at this. No magic involved here, but
You look like a nice girl. Now make it out to die. You got me on a very bad day.
a secret. I found a secret. I've got to go back. I hear hostages back there. A medikit. There ought to be a bow on this. magic involved here, but it'll do in a pinch.
You look like a nice girl. Now be polite and die.
I kinda enjoyed that. Does that make me weird?
Thank you. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Don't know where those vamps came from. If Ethan's not behind all of this, I'm not sure I want to know what is. Tara? Sweetie? Where are you? Tara? Can you hear me?
Willow? I'm here. I tried to fight them, but...
You'll be all right. I'm coming for you. Girls who dress like that just never come to a good end.
Man, that's a bitch! Oh,
I am going to scrub my hands for a week. My kind of tool. No moving parts. Cool. Now I can be Nurse Willow. Tara's gonna love this. Who's arachnophobic?
You look good enough to eat.
Willow, I know it sounds crazy, but try the homing missile.
Somebody doesn't want me going in there.
What have we here?
I think I'll go around, seeing how I don't really have a choice. Blood. Ugh, it's too deep to wade through, and there's no way I'm swimming in that. Why are you locked? What did I ever do to you?
What have we here? Is not my friend.
I don't want to know where that drains to. Somebody doesn't want me going in there.
Willow, cast the shield spell. It'll protect you.
All these Dracula wannabes. You weren't, and now you aren't. Semi-malicious mischief never hurt anyone, right? Okay, I'm a rebel. Sue me. Meek doesn't always mean weak.
You gotta love the redheads.
Hey, I'm getting pretty good at this.
What have we here?
Willow, cast the shield spell. It'll protect you.
Fresh.
Should have thought twice about that midnight snack. No magic involved here, but it'll do in a pinch. I think I'll go around, seeing how I don't really have a choice.
You gotta love the redheads.
Should have thought twice about that midnight snack.
What have we here?
A little semi-malicious mischief never hurt anyone, right? Okay, I'm a rebel. Sue me. Lucky's my middle name, and also clumsy. Can't get out this way without a security card. Can't get out this way without a security card. Finally! Key card! Now I'm for getting the heck out of here.
You know, Willow, I really am pleased to see you doing so well.
What? It makes you happy that the witch is going to kick your uptight, English, chaos-worshipping butt?
Sticks and stones, my dear.
you all right, sweetie?
I messed up my shoulder. I think I'll be all right.
But you're gonna have it looked at.
Spike was going to hit some of the vampire hangouts, see if he could get a line on Kakistos. And then there was Sid.
Sid?
The dummy? You remember. How could you forget? Looks like Kakistos isn't the only dead guy up and walking around. And Kakistos was being all cryptic. No pun intended. But he kept making comments that make me think there's more going on here.
I've got a few theories, but they require more research.
Sid seemed to know something about it, but he was all mysterious too. I hate that in a wooden puppet.
Yes, we all do.
So, you said you had theories? Let's hear them. Giles just doesn't want to tell you that his big theory, actually, my theory.
Well, I'm sure you haven't forgotten the visit we had from Willow's vampiric doppelganger. We owe that wonderful brush with alternate dimensions to Anya.
Yay me! You know, if I hadn't brought evil skanky vampire Willow into this dimension by accident, we would all be completely lost in this conversation right now. So, what then? We're dealing with alternate dimension Kakistos?
Our research certainly turned up plenty of precedent for dimensional bleed. Tara, are you all right? What's happened?
The old factory? Morphed into a big old vampire blood factory, human cattle, all kinds of fun stuff. And in the middle of it all, Ethan Rain and a bunch of Bakemono.
Ethan? What does that oily little snake have to do with this?
I got the impression he had nothing to do with the factory changing. As for Ethan himself, I got the feeling he was testing me, but I don't have the first clue why.
Maybe it's an alternate reality version of Ethan.
I'm getting Tara to a doctor.
Yes, I think that's wise. There's nothing more to be done this evening. I think we could all do with some rest at this point.
Let's meet back here in the morning and we'll start a search for Ethan. See if we can't force these puzzle pieces together.
Agreed. I just need to fill one last mail order.
You go ahead. I'll wait and walk you home. I don't think any of us should be alone right now.
All right. I'll just be a moment.
I'm not going anywhere.
Hello again, Slayer. Just a quick visit to satisfy my curiosity. I've been wondering, you see, how well you would function without your watcher.
What are you talking about, Hoof Boy? Giles is fine. He's in the basement.
Yes. And he isn't alone. Nice night for a walk.
Finders keepers.
The star of the show has arrived.
Finders keepers. Ouch, hot potato.
Evening, miss.
Finders keepers.
Evening, miss.
Buffy, Summers, Vampire Slayer. Thinking there's a word in there you missed.
What have we here?
Gonna get me some of that.
Hey, look, someone learned to whittle.
The star of the show has arrived.
That was almost too easy. Apparently, not the way. Ugh, great. Pieces of demon lying around. No thanks. Next.
Pretty cute for a Slayer.
Buffy, Summers, Vampire Slayer. What do we have here? Eat your heart out. Little pigs, little pigs. Ah, never mind. I'll find another way. Finders keepers. Finders keepers.
Always wondered what the blood of a slayer would taste like. Looks like I'm gonna get my chance. The star of the show has arrived!
One of Giles' magic books. Don't feel like carrying this around. One of Giles' magic books. Don't feel like carrying this around. Locked. What's with the security? I can't leave the shop. I need to rescue Giles. Giles, you okay? Did they ruffle your tweed?
Bit worse for the wear, but I'll survive.
Thanks to the security cage. Remember when I said you were paranoid for wanting to lock away the priceless occult goodies? I meant it. But here's a big yay for your paranoia.
Oh, I nearly didn't make it into the cage in time. It took some powerful magic to bring those gargoyles to life.
So now what? These stone uglies seem pretty unkillable.
The gargoyles aren't like demons or vampires. Certain magics are required to revert them to their natural state. I don't know the spell offhand, but if you can get out into the store and retrieve my copy of Bebo's Compendium of Gorgons and Stone Demons, I should be able to figure it out.
Great. It would have been much too easy if that was one of the books valuable enough to keep in here. Just what I was looking for.
Buffy, wait! You can't fight the gargoyles until we learn how to defeat them.
Well, howdy there, sugar. You come here often?
I spy with my little eye.
Let's dance, little girl.
Apparently, not the way. Locked. What's with the security around here? Bebo's compendium. Better get this back to Giles. Just what I was looking for. Here you go, Giles. One copy of Bilbo's Compendium of Gore Things and Stone Whatchamacallits.
Thank you, Buffy. Now, let me see. Gargoyles are susceptible to Gorgon venom. A stake dipped in the venom should be sufficient to dispatch them. There are some in the shop, but make absolutely sure you use the right venom. Use the wrong one, and they'll become so powerful that you'll never defeat them. All I know about the venom is that it reacts strongly to anything of gargoyle origin. Maybe you'll find something in the shop to help you. Buffy, no. You don't have any Gorgon stakes. You can't hope to defeat them.
Could be Gorgon venom, but I can't chance it. I'll need to find some way to make sure.
It's just not fair!
Could be Gorgon venom, but I can't chance it. I'll need to find some way to make sure. Could be Gorgon venom, but I can't chance it. I'll need to find some way to make sure.
Hey there, beautiful. Ain't you the Slayer?
You are so dusted. Next. Look, and it's not even my birthday. And since I can't walk through walls, let's try something else. No reaction with the gargoyle claw. This can't be Gorgon venom. No reaction with the gargoyle claw. This can't be Gorgon venom. No reaction with the gargoyle claw. This can't be Gorgon venom. Time to kick some gargoyle ass.
Buffy, you have the stakes. Excellent. Destroy the gargoyles. Excellent work, Buffy. Now let's get out of here.
Medipack. Great. Now if I could just find a cute doctor. What do we have here? right?
That's me done for.
Little pigs, little pigs. Ah, never mind. I'll find another way. Faith?
Hey, B. What's shaking?
What's shaken? Simple as that? Last time I saw you, you tried to take over my life. Went all body snatchers on me. Then there was the LA rampage. Now you break out of prison and I'm supposed to say, what? Welcome home?
I was thinking more along the lines of pull up a chair, grab a beer. But yeah, basically. We don't got a hug or nothing. Say what you want. I'm still a Slayer. Bad as you might want to, you can't take that away.
And the jailbreak? You just needed a breath of fresh air?
Hell no, prison sucks. Shine a light on that revelation. But between fighting off the Butch sisters and trying not to rise to the guard's bait, I'm getting my head straight. Not loving it there, but it wasn't my idea to leave just now.
Okay, so if the jailbreak wasn't just because you missed the stellar Sunnydale nightlife, what the hell are you doing here?
Long story, chica, but I got the answer man right here.
Hello, Slayer.
Oh, forget it. Look, I need to get Giles to the hospital.
When you're done wailing on Witch Boy here, they can patch him up.
Doctors now, answers later.